Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, click on this plus at the bottom left corner and choose Files section. Then, to add an audio file, click on Audio at the top, or click on those two lines at the top left corner and look for your file in one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, hold your audio and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you wish to add a video instead, tap on Gallery section, choose Gallery, click on your video and tap on Add at the top right corner. You can also click on Gallery, select Folders, look for your video over here, and when you find it, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!